Good morning, guys. My name is Phil. Welcome back to Miranda Detailing. So in today's episode, we are doing a maintenance detail on this Acura. And if you want to see the original video that we did installing crystal serum light, doing our new car prep on this, check out the card above.
That's awesome.
So we're going to do our maintenance detail on this Acura MDX. We're going to be using a new shampoo from Acura MDX. So even though this was coated with crystal serum light, which is from G-Technic, you could use the G-Wash if you want, or you can use any other coating safe type of shampoo. And in this case, the Acura MDX shampoo that we're going to use actually already has some nano protection in it, which is kind of cool. So I'm going to use it as a maintenance shampoo, and then we're going to top it with some sort of a topping, either C2 V3 from G-Technic or something else. We'll decide at the end. Guys, if you're enjoying videos like this, consider subscribing and clicking that bell so you don't miss stuff. Let's get started. So the Acura came in last night, and we already have a vehicle in the garage. It's the Cadillac, black Cadillac V series that we did our new car prep on in coatings. You'll see a video on that. If it's not already out in the card above, just wait for it. It will be out soon. But this MDX is gorgeous. This color is beautiful. And it looks in pretty good condition as well. So the owner does take care of it really well. Actually, the wheels are pretty decent, not too bad at all. They were coated also. All the trim was coated, so we're going to see how that reacts after we wash it. All right, not bad. So the shampoo we're going to use is this one right here, the NMS, the Nano Magic Shampoo. So it does have protection built into the shampoo. A lot of companies are starting to do that. If you want a pure shampoo, then this one from Hybrid Solutions, Turtle Wax, just came out. This is their Pure Wash, Slick and Slide. It says polymers, but this is for lubrication, not for protection. So when you use the shampoo, it rinses clean. Nothing will be left on the paint, but it's very, very slick, very lubricating. It's awesome for maintenance washing. It's awesome for just regular washing. And it's not going to strip protection either, which is great. It's a pH neutral pure wash. So this is an option if you want. For today, we're going to be trying out this one, the Nano Magic Shampoo. So let's see, what's 10 milliliters, 50 milliliters. Oh, okay, it's about 2 ounces. What I'm going to do is my usual dilution ratio for almost every soap. About 1.5 to 2 ounces or so, and about 16 or so ounces in here, which is about this level or so. So we use this for the body of the vehicle, foaming up the entire vehicle, and then I foam up the wheel bucket as well. So the wheel bucket gets foamy shampoo. We'll see how well the shampoo foams up. Usually protection shampoos like this don't foam up that much, but we'll see. It's about 50 milliliters or so. It's still a little chilly out, so I'm going to add hot water to this. I'm just doing this to rinse out the little measuring cup. It has like a banana-ish smell, with a little bit of a chemical smell to it as well. There we go. That's about right. Almost tipped it over there. Do you see that? All right. Good to go.
Awesome.
That's what a coating should look like. That's gorgeous. Yep, perfect. Okay, we're done. Just dry it. The bottom plastic. Oh, man. All the way to the bottom. Look how tight the beading is. Gorgeous. Wow. Nothing's sticking to this at all. And look at the plastic. Isn't that beautiful? The wheels also look amazing. Yeah, she's good. Let's blow dry it and call it a day. You think I'm joking? I'm not joking. You're laughing. I'm not laughing. Who's gonna know? Who's gonna know?
All right, let's do it.
How will they know? They're gonna know. How will they know?
They won't know.
They won't know. If I have to explain it, it's lost its appeal.
Wow.
So this won't even like stick to the paint at all. Look at that. It's not very foamy, but that's okay. That's just the nature of the shampoo. But man, look at that wash shot. It doesn't want to stick. Yeah, look at that. It's crazy. It's like all spotted looking. It is preposterous. Why is this camera? Oh, whoops. I don't know. Man, it feels good. Oh, well, it's because of the shampoo. The shampoo has protection built in. That's why it doesn't foam that much. But, man, this is awesome. I love maintaining coated vehicles. It's the best. I love it. All right, I like the shampoo. I mean, it's not super foamy, but it's okay. It's good for maintenance. Seems to be pretty slick. Yeah, it's new from Kosh Chemi. Or Kosh Chemi. Saying it gives me a sore throat. Yep.
One more time.
GoPro, stop recording. Exactly. Everybody needs to coat their car. Everybody needs to come to us so we can coat their car. Wow. All right, guys, she is looking amazing. This is the benefit of a coating. It looks incredible. The beading is super intense everywhere. It looks unreal. So it cleans extremely easily. The shampoo is great, not a high foamer, so don't expect a ton of foam. But you can see that the coating was rejecting it, which is good, but the soap adds to the slickness and it'll add a little bit to the protection. Whatever is in the soap will bond to the coating as well and hopefully help it along. I think layering on top of coatings is good anyway. As long as you're seeing intense beading like this, then don't worry about it. Don't think I have to strip whatever's on top or topping it to see what the coating is doing. don't worry about that. Don't overthink it. If the vehicle looks like this, it's holding strong. So don't worry about it. We're going to use C2V3 to top it, and you just mist it on per panel, dry it, and it's great. It just will add some more protection on top of the coating, whatever's on there. You can use this as a regular maintenance on even sealants, but C2V3 bonds better to its counterpart, you know, the coatings. Exo or Crystal Serum Light or Ultra, that's what it's designed for. It bonds to it better. So that's why we usually tend to use that. You could use other toppers. SiO2 will bond to SiO2. There might be a little bit of differences in the chemistry with some different coatings, but generally that's how it works. That is awesome. And it is solid beading all the way to the bottom. Very intense beading all the way to the bottom. All the plastics, the wheels, the glass, yeah, awesome. We'll also blow dry some of these areas, like the wheels, tires, and some of the cracks and crevices. We'll blow dry, especially up here in the front with this crazy grill. Yeah, that can be annoying. So, yep, we'll dry that. We'll blow dry it. So the Acura is almost done. We just did the inside. Not really too much to show in there. Light vacuum, light dusting, wipe down, that's pretty much it. So we're just gonna work on all the glass. I'm going to dress the tires and just kind of touch up the wheels, make sure they're good to go, and then we'll be done. So we're going to use a new product from Hybrid Solutions, their graphene acrylic tire shine. So it says spray coating. This is not really intended for a super glossy tire, so you can apply this in layers if you want to really get some of that shine, or just spray it and let it be without, you know, applying it or working it into the tire. But I don't really like that. I like to work it into the tire a little bit, and it produces more of a satin finish, almost matte, but it keeps the tire nice and dark and black. The browning, the blooming doesn't come out. It kind of blocks it all in, and it's really nice stuff. So let's apply this stuff. Whoops. Oh yeah, we use some inner space on the inside too. Kind of a nice little interior quick detailer, and it also conditions and has UV protection. So I'm going to use one of these little applicators. I used to get these on Amazon. Now Car Supplies Warehouse carries them. So go check out the links below. I really love these little tire applicators. So I'm going to shake up the dressing. I'm going to apply it to the applicator. And again, you can either spray onto the tire or to the applicator. I like to keep things a little controlled. So this is how I apply it. But either way is fine, depending on what you want to achieve. Now I'm just going to use a little bit of bead maker for the wheel itself. You can top it with C2V3 if you want, but the wheels are in really good condition. Coating is holding up strong, so just a little bit of bead maker will add a little bit of protection, but it's mostly just to touch up the wheel. And there we go. We'll let the tire dressing dry. The wheel is looking great. The Acura is now done, looking incredible. This maintenance is done. I'm really impressed with the Crystal Serum Light, as well we have been for a couple of years now, and we've just been seeing incredible results with it. So quite a few vehicles are coated, and we maintain here. Yeah, it's really an awesome coating. That's what we offer here. So we're going to stick with that. Now we may go with other coatings like Geon, because we really do like Geon coatings, and they have some new ones coming out. So we may play around with those as well. But we'll see. So that's going to do it for today's episode. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. If you're interested in those products, especially the new Hybrid Solutions products, then check out all the links down below. They'll go to Car Supplies Warehouse. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss stuff. Like the video that we're doing on that black Cadillac. Came out pretty awesome. You don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Take care.